Sending money from your bank to another bank is a straightforward process. To begin, log into your online banking account. Once logged in, click on the Transfer section. Then select the option to transfer to an account outside of your bank. Next, choose to make a transfer and then click on Add a new account. You will then need to select the account type, enter the recipient's name, account number, and routing number, and click Next. To verify your external bank account, you can either choose to verify instantly or use the deposit method. If you choose the deposit method, you will need to log into your external bank account to confirm the verification. Once your account is verified, you can proceed with the transaction by entering the amount you want to send, selecting the accounts, and choosing the transfer date. After reviewing the terms and policies, click Continue to proceed. Finally, review your transfer details and confirm the transaction. This process is relatively simple, and by following these steps, you should be able to easily send money from your bank to another bank.